Hi there, I'm Gordy Spader and this is Lola, one of our Kurgo office dogs. We're here to tell you about our Kurgo Skybox booster seat. Booster seats are great for keeping dogs off your lap. The Kurgo Skybox booster seat provides your pup with her own comfortable car seat where she can look out the window and enjoy the ride. The booster seat can hold a dog that weighs up to 30 pounds, but it's really best for dogs up to 20 pounds. It has a waterproof exterior, washable liner, and it collapses down for easy storage. It also includes a tether that works with the Kurgo TrueFit Smart Harness to secure your pup. You can install the Skybox booster seat in a vehicle with a single bucket seats or on the smaller side of a rear bench seat that folds down. Any seat you choose must have a headrest or cannot be safely installed. Before installing the booster seat, connect the car seat belt. The headrest straps of your booster seat have two different types of attachments to connect it to the seat. The first type is a clip. You can attach and detach the clips just like this. The second type is a nesting buckle. To unbuckle them, lift the smaller part of the buckle with the Kurgo logo facing up. Slide it through the wider opening in the other part of the buckle. To reattach, turn the smaller part with the Kurgo logo facing up and slide it through the larger opening on the other part of the buckle. Lay it flat to secure it. Once the headrest straps are attached to the seat, run the strap around the headrest of your bucket seat and adjust the length of the strap to get the booster seat in the middle of the seat. Next, wrap the seat back strap around the seat and clip the buckles together, tightening the strap on the back of the seat. This will help to stabilize the seat. To use the seat belt tether for the first time, disconnect it from the booster seat. The safest method is to loop the tether around the seat belt and back into itself. Finally, place your dog in the booster seat and connect your harness. If you're ever in an accident with the Skybox booster seat, just like you would with a bike helmet or a child car seat, you should replace it to ensure its safety. Thanks for watching. Remember, all of our products are backed by a no-hassle lifetime warranty. If you have any problems, contact us at info@kurgo.com and our great customer service team will be happy to help you out. So get out there, stay safe, and have fun. Kurgo, go together.